9 final race for tonight, Friday. All set now, ready to race. Race number 9. And the race is on. Ruby Gentry from the outside, rushing up is Moraita. Ice Storm also moving up by the Solar Power. Aloha. Moraita, followed by Ice Storm on the outside, Solar Power, Ruby Gentry, Sugar Mike racing on the outside, rushing up Aloha, Gifted Champ, Miss Delicious, moving up by the Glass Cockpit, Show Me Magic, while Pilio is running at the tail of the field. And inside the last 650, Ice Storm, Moraita is running by the Sugar Mike racing on the outside, third by the Port Solar Power, Ruby Gentry. Moraita, Ice Storm fighting it out for the lead. Sugar Mike is racing in third. Ruby Gentry racing in fifth by the Rally Solar Power. As they race the final corner, Moraita, Ice Storm, Sugar Mike on the outside by the Rally Solar Power. Moraita, Sugar Mike on the outside fighting it out for the lead. Moraita, Sugar Mike on the outside. It's Moraita, Sugar Mike on the outside. Sugar Mike, Moraita is running by the run, but still Sugar Mike winning this race over Moraita, Ice Storm, Ruby Gentry, Solar Power, and Aloha. Super 6.